Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Bivanye n'umwese aherereye. This is EFA English Family. Muri kumva ni Nduwimana Fabrice. Wamugambe tuya ku gicongereza. This is another video for you guys. So ntimwibage kugira suivre, follow, share and the comments, all right? Comment, you see the comment session over there. So nizere ko mwaje kubigira hanyuma uyu munsi dufite ikigwa gishasha aho twiga amavuga mu Congereza, verbs in English, verbs amavuga. We have English and Kirundi versions. Aho dufite ivuga rya mbere. Let's get started with to sing. To sing ni kuririmba. Yes, to sing ni kuririmba. To play. To play ni gukina. Gukina umupira, gukina n'abandi bana, right? To drink. To drink ni kunywa. Yes, to drink. To walk. To walk, kugenda. So then guys, pay attention here. To walk, umbagana tuyisoma, to walk ni kugenda. And to work. To work ni gukora. Ahantu rero muharabe neza kuko sometimes abantu babyitiranya bashaka kuvuga to walk ugasanga bavuze to work. Aha rero kuri to work, okay, murabona to work ni gukora. Yes, to work, gukora. Hama now ni to walk. To walk ni kugenda. Yes. Now I hope you see that. Now let's go on the next one, which is to enter. To enter, kwinjira ahantu, kwinjira mu ishuri, ahandi hantu canke mu nzu. Yes, to enter. Now mwumvise umuntu akubwiye ati enter please, akubwiye ati injira. To steal. To steal ni kwiba. Yes, to steal, kwiba. To steal, kwiba. To bring. To bring ni kuzana. Yes, to bring ni kuzana. Let's go on to meet. To meet ni guhura. Verbe zibiri mu Congereza, zibiri mu Congereza dusoma i. To meet. Then we have another verb, to think. To think none yobisigura iki mu Kirundi? So duhurire muri commentaire mutusangize ivyumviro kuri verb to think. To think nayo sigura iki? Now reka dusubira muri dusome neza amavuga yacu. To sing, to play, to drink, to walk, to work, to enter, to steal, to bring, to meet, and to think. Thank you guys for being with me. Hanyuma, this is the end of our video. See you in the next videos. Not forget to follow, to share, to comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.